Hey everybody, welcome back. We are here, we've been working on some tower building, and we're gonna figure out how many blocks we have in our towers. Now, the first question we're gonna answer is, who has the taller tower? I've got Harper here, I've got Chloe over here, and we're gonna see whose tower do you think is the tallest, just by looking at it?
Harper's. Mine.
I think this one is too. Right here, the white blocks, it definitely looks taller. But our real question of the day is who used more blocks in their tower? So to do that, we've got to be able to count out how many blocks we have, and we also have to be able to compare numbers. And so we've got some different strategies we're going to look at for comparing these numbers. So first, let's just start with counting them out. Chloe, can you count how many blocks you used in your tower over there?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
8 blocks. Okay, so she's got 8 blocks. Harper, let's count yours and let's see who has more.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I got 6 blocks.
Okay, 6 blocks. Now, who had more, right? Is 8 more than 6? Do you guys agree? I think 8 is more, right? Even though Harper's tower was taller, we see that there was actually more blocks in Chloe's tower, just the way it was designed. So 8 is more than 6, or another way we could say that is 6 is less than 8. We could see this a different way and actually use something called a 10 frame. But to do that, I think we need some help from our friend, don't you? Let's call in our friend on 3. 1, 2, 3. Handy dandy chalkboard. There we go. So now as we look at this 10 frame, this is just a way to visually represent numbers. So let's start with Chloe's. Chloe, how many blocks did you have in yours?
I had 8.
Okay, she had 8. So I'm just gonna go off of my 10 frame, that these are rows of 5, and there's 10 boxes all together, and I'm gonna mark those. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and we've made it. Okay, so we have 8 that are representing the number of blocks that Chloe used. But Harper, how many did you have in yours?
6.
She had 6. So let's count those out on the 10 frame. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now, with the 10 frame, you can see visually who has more, right? Now we know that 8 is more than 6. And in fact, we can see exactly how much more. If you look, we had 8 here in Chloe's, we had 6 in Harper's, so I know that 8 is greater than the 6, and exactly 2 greater than the 6. Or we could turn that around and say that 6 is less than 8. So those are good terms to use. And I'll tell you what, we're gonna have some more fun building towers and making our whatever we can out of blocks. You could do this at home too. So thanks for joining us here today.